Are you so sad?
Please.
I'm gonna take a picture of you. A picture. I'm looking at something. So are you still sad? Yeah. Why are you sad? You don't look sad. You look happy.
No, it's sad.
You're sad? Well, that's not a sad face you're making. Well, let me see a sad face. Show me a sad face. Oh my God. Oh. You're happy?
No.
No?
Sad.
You're sad? Well, you don't look sad. Oh gosh, there it goes. You're so sad? Oh man, I wish you were not sad. What makes you sad?
Say bye, Nana. Say bye.
What?
Say bye, Nana.
Nana's in Florida.
Nana house.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Nana at the house.
Mm-hmm. Are you happy now? No? You're sad? Why are you sad? Are you sick? You're sick?
No.
No. You're sad? Oh. Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad, Nay? Oh, Nay. Nathaniel, what's wrong? Nene. Nene. What's wrong? You're still sad? Why? 'Cause what? Let me see you. Let me see you. Oh, no. Nay. Oh, no. Where you? Oh, gosh.